Welcome to 5 Reasons Why Bitcoin is the Future of Money. Let's explore why Bitcoin is revolutionizing finance. Reason 1: Limited supply. Unlike fiat currencies that can be endlessly printed, Bitcoin has a capped supply of 21 million coins. This scarcity is built into its code, ensuring that its value can't be diluted over time. Reason 2: Decentralization. Bitcoin operates on a decentralized network called the blockchain. This means there's no central authority controlling it. Instead, transactions are verified by a network of computers, making it resistant to censorship and manipulation. Reason 3: Borderless transactions. With Bitcoin, you can send money anywhere in the world instantly and with minimal fees. Traditional banking systems have limitations, especially for cross-border transactions, but Bitcoin transcends these barriers. Reason 4: Security. Bitcoin transactions are secured by cryptographic techniques and recorded on the blockchain, a public ledger. This transparent and immutable system makes it extremely difficult for fraudsters to tamper with transactions. And reason 5: Financial inclusion. Bitcoin empowers the unbanked and underbanked populations, providing them with access to financial services without the need for a traditional bank account. This has the potential to uplift millions worldwide who are excluded from the traditional financial system. Thank you for watching this video. If you like this video, then please like and subscribe.